One of the nice products, and you guys had them, the bungs that you get over, you know, like for your oxygen sensor, you know. So technically not Dorman stuff, but Dorman does have these things, okay? You just get that bung in here. They're like, weld this thing here, eh? This gets welded over here when it's all said and done, and screw your temp sensor in there. So that really was a real saver for us, because I mean, who wants to if you guys are on, you know yourself, you've heard all your life, and it doesn't matter if it's an intake air, coolant, whatever. If you notice, I'll put this here on ohms, okay, and can you get me to zoom in? I didn't put my third camera on. Common sensor up down, the hotter it gets to 700. Air in the fuel can cause a lot of issues, can't it? Dry, no starch, and so on and so on.